Of the many beautiful trekking destinations in Nepal, Upper Mustang definitely stands as one of them. This forbidden kingdom, despite the abolition of monarchy, still follows age-old traditions and practices and is open for visit for all the people of the world, but under regulations and special passes. Upper Mustang is not just fascinating to the foreigners but also to the people of Nepal. This beautiful land has many unique features that attracts the world, the still existing polyandry being one of them. The Kingdom of Mustang is surrounded by beautiful landscape all over. This is why the land attracts huge number of domestic tourists as well. This trans-Himalayan mountainous region is full of Tibetan culture as well. Upper Mustang captures the admiration of photographers, filmmakers, vloggers, and everyone who ever dreams to experience the vastly unique Himalayan culture. Kathmandu, the Himalayan barren land of the Kaligandaki civilization, also lies here. Even National Geography Channel has made a documentary about this beautiful land, featuring Kaligandaki Gorge, the world's deepest gorge. The 17 days trek to Upper Mustang is the most common and enables you to cover the entire beauty of this land. The trek to Upper Mustang starts after the third day of your arrival, with the second day spent on preparation and gaining trekking permits. It's a 6 hours drive from Kathmandu to Pokhara. On the fourth day, the flight takes you to Jomsom, giving you the views of Annapurna and Dhaulagiri, and 3 more hours of trek takes you to Kathmandu. The next day, we'll trek through ridges and streams to reach Chil, leaving the Kaligandaki Gorge behind. Chil starts to show us a typical Tibetan culture of the Upper Mustang. On the 6th day, we'll trek through the steep Yamdala Pass. From Yamdala Pass, you can see the beautiful Mustang area and Dhaulagiri nearby. We'll trek downhill to Jelling for a night stay. The next day, we'll trek to Tsering. The 6 hours trek from Jelling to Tsering has many beautiful stories, architectures, monasteries, and culture that'll bind you. On the 8th day, trekking through flat terrain and caves, we'll come across 2 rocks forming a natural gate to finally arrive in the beautiful valley of Low Manthang. To acclimatize, we'll spend the next day trekking to different sides of the valley of Low Manthang. On the 10th day, we'll trek back to Dakmar to spend the night. The following day, we'll trek back to Jelling for a stop. On the 12th day, we'll trek through Yamdala Pass for 6 hours, reaching Tsusing village. Early next day, we will begin our trek through the same trail of Upper Mustang, reaching Kathmandu. The final day of the trek brings us back to Jomsom. Jomsom welcomes us with a celebration. We might also want to visit the Marfa village, which is quite nearby, to see apple orchards. On the 15th day, early flight brings us to Pokhara, a city that never sleeps. This is the place where you might want to enjoy to your fullest, relaxed and jubilant that you've ended your treks in the most memorable way. We'll drive back to Kathmandu the early next day, enjoying the beautiful view of area as we travel through. On the 17th day, our happy journey to the marvelous kingdom of Upper Mustang ends. We'll drop you back to the airport to see you again. Upper Mustang Trek will give you all the pleasure and the pain that's worth taking for. You'll not only be introduced to these mysterious kingdom with unique beliefs and cultures, but also fall in love with the beauty. As much as the valley looks barren, the natural scenic beauty of the magnificent mountains around makes your relief and joyful. To experience the adventure to this forbidden kingdom, call us now. We are excited to welcome you.